Low complexity multi-user detection for satellite communication, a hard decision strategy with accumulated interference suppression. As satellite communication becomes more common, especially with the growing use of medium Earth orbit (MEO) satellites, the challenge of handling interference from multiple users is becoming more serious. When too many users try to send signals at once, it can cause something called multi-axis interference (MAI), which reduces the system's reliability. Another problem is the weak signal strength due to the long distance between satellites and Earth. This study presents an improved method to help MEO satellites pick up individual signals more accurately, even in noisy or crowded conditions. The proposed approach combines two advanced techniques: coherent accumulation, which helps strengthen weak signals over time, and parallel interference cancellation, which filters out overlapping signals from other users. Together, these methods allow the satellite to better detect and separate signals from multiple users. The new algorithm was tested in both computer simulations and real hardware setups. Results showed it could detect signals correctly 95% of the time, even when interference was very strong. This performance is close to the best possible under such conditions. Overall, this improved method offers a powerful solution for future satellite systems, making communication more reliable even with many users sharing the same network. Introduction. Satellite communication has dramatically improved global connectivity, especially in remote or hard-to-reach areas. Thanks to progress in space technology, different types of satellites now provide reliable communication services around the world. Among them, medium Earth orbit MEO satellites, used in systems like GPS and BeiDou-3, offer broad coverage with fewer satellites. These systems are essential in situations where regular ground-based communication isn't available, such as during natural disasters, at sea, or for tracking flights and drones. However, as more people use these systems, they face a growing problem called multi-axis interference (MAI), where overlapping signals make it harder for satellites to receive data correctly. Although each user may not cause much interference alone, the combined effect of many users reduces communication quality. Current signal processing methods can't fully solve this issue, highlighting the urgent need for new techniques to ensure stable and reliable satellite communication in increasingly crowded networks. Conclusion. This study introduces a new method to improve how satellite communication systems handle multiple users sending signals at the same time. As more people use satellite networks, especially those based on medium Earth orbit (MEO), signal interference becomes a major issue, making it harder for satellites to pick out individual messages. The paper presents a smart solution, a parallel signal processing algorithm that can better detect and clean up these overlapping signals. By using advanced techniques to identify and remove interference, the new method makes signal reception more accurate and reliable. Tests and computer simulations showed that the new approach is far more effective than older methods, achieving a high signal detection rate even in challenging conditions. This improvement helps ensure stable communication even when many users are connected at once, making the technique a valuable upgrade for satellite systems used in areas like disaster response, navigation, and remote communication. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.